Hello guys, and today I'll tell you about 25 cool features of this S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. And the first cool feature is we can make notes while watching a video. So let me show you. Let's just open Gallery first and find a video. Now we need to press and hold this button on S Pen and double click the screen. So let's test it. I'm pressing the button and double clicking the screen, and as you can see, now I can watch video and use notes at the same time. So I can draw something in here, type in. I can make this note even more clear by clicking these three dots first and clicking on this icon and dragging the slider. Great. Now I can also make it half screen by clicking right here, just like this. And I can even paste images in here. Just click Gallery, choose Image, and then click Done. And you can adjust its size, and so on. The second one is screen recording. So just swipe from the top to the bottom in the upper right corner, and swipe again till you find this screen recorder icon. Click it, and now choose any option from the list of these three options. So if you want to use microphone in your screen recorder, then click this option and then click start recording. And now you can use your S Pen to highlight important points and important moments while screen recording. When you are done, just click this square button and your screen recording will be saved in the gallery. Let me show you. Just right here. The third one is screen recording with front camera. So just follow steps I showed you before. Enable screen recorder. Now just wait and open camera, and now flip it to record in front camera mode. So when you're done, just stop the video and let me show you the result. So as you can see, I recorded with the front camera on. Number 4 is you can pin notes to the always on display, but you need to insert your S Pen in the phone first. And now take it out again. Just pull out your pen, and as you can see, there is an option to write something in here, to draw something, change colors, and if you want to pin this note, just click this pin icon and you will see your note on the always on display. So let me unlock the phone and let me lock it again to see our drawing on the always on display, just like this. You can also edit it by clicking this edit icon. Like this, you can erase your text, your images, and you can type in something new. And also, you can click this button, discard changes. And now, to delete this note, we can click right here on this icon and it will remove our note, just like this. Number 5 is circle search. So, you can just press and hold this home button, but first you need to open any app or any website you want. And now, just make a circle around the word you want to search for with the help of your S Pen, and you will see the results of your search. You can drag and see it right in the Google, just like this. Number 6 is that you can copy and add any text you like to the notes. So just open any website you want, then click and hold till you see these three dots, and click on Add to Note. And you will see this information now saved in Notes. You can also dismiss it by clicking this button. Number 7 is Notes Auto Format. So let me just open Samsung Notes first, right here. And now we need to choose a note with a text in here. So this one, for example. Now click on this keyboard icon on the bottom of the screen, and you will be able to see these little stars, which is AI. So let me click it. And now we need to choose one option from the list. We are gonna choose auto format. And also we can choose headers and bullets or meeting notes. Let's choose the first option. As you can see, it auto-formatted my note. And let's choose now the second option, meeting notes. And it will look just like this. Cool feature number 8 is that you can add images, photos to the notes. Let me show you. I have just opened Gallery app and let's add here notes as a split screen. Also, let's make it half split screen by clicking this icon. And now we need to choose a photo which we wanna add. For example, this cute teddy bear. Let's just press and hold it and drag to the notes, like this. Now we can adjust its size. We can rotate it, we can move it on this page. We can paste it, copy, crop, and so on. Just like this. Feature number 9 is similar to the previous one, which is dragging text to the notes. Let me show you. Let's just make a split screen again. Click these 3 dots, make it half split, and now press and hold to copy text, and now just drag it to the note, like this. But let me create a new one note first. So let's do it again. Drag it to the screen and voila! You can also erase it, you can also cut it, and you can draw something in here as well using these tools. Let's move on to the feature number 10, which is you can add the whole web page to the notes. Let me show you. Let's make a split screen first as before. Let's make it half split screen. And now create a new note. And right here, just press and hold, then click, and click select all. And now click these 3 dots and add to note. And now all your pages has been successfully added to the notes. Just like this. Feature number 11. You can search in Google using your S Pen. So just type in something and it will transform to the text. And now you can see the results of your search. Number 12. Use your S Pen for AI edited photos. So let's just open Gallery first. Choose a photo. Now click this edit icon. And now you'll be able to see these little stars. So let's just click it. Now select the object and move it left or right, wherever you like. Just click, hold, and move it. You can adjust its size, you can rotate it, and do whatever you want. And when you are done, just click this generate button and wait a couple of seconds till it will generate your picture. Then click done button and save as a copy. And now your image is saved with the help of AI editor. Number 13 is air actions. So let me just open settings first and here scroll till we see this advanced features tab. Now let's click it, and from the list of other options we are gonna choose S Pen. And right here we need to enable air actions and click it. And now we can see many actions with the help of which we can enable some functions. So for example, if we hold the pen like this, so the button is on top, we need to hold this button and do this gesture to go back. Let me show you. Like this. Now let's click again, and this gesture will move you to the home page. Great, like this. And so on. Now you can also enable actions for the camera, gallery, internet, and other apps. So to take a picture, you would need to click this button once. Double press will switch cameras. Like this will switch cameras as well, and so on. Let me show you this. So let's open camera, and right now let's click this button once. And we took a photo. Let's click it twice, and the camera is flipped now. Great. Now let's take like this, and we have also flipped the camera. and this gesture will move us through the modes. Great. Now let's move on to the feature number 14, which is summarizing web pages. So, what does it mean? Let me open Internet first and choose a web page. As you can see, there is so much text, and to summarize it, we would need just to click these little stars and click on Summarize and just wait a couple of seconds. And now you can see the main information from this website with the help of this function. So you don't need to read the whole page, you would just need to read this short information. Number 15 is you can choose what will happen when you remove your S Pen. So let's just open Settings to find this feature and scroll till we see this Advanced Features tab. And again, choose S Pen. Right here, click on When S Pen is removed and choose one of the options. So for example, Open Air command. So let's just insert the S Pen and pull it out again. And as you can see, now this Air Commands tab opens. Let me just switch to the Create Note. So let's just insert this S Pen again and pull it out. And now Notes have opened. Great. You can also choose to do nothing. So when you will pull your S Pen, nothing will happen. You just can use it and that's all. Feature number 16 is really useful. So you can unlock your phone with the help of S Pen. You just need to click this button one time to unlock your phone. So let me just show you this feature in the settings. Let's go in Advanced Feature again, then S Pen. Right here, click on the tab More S Pen Settings. And as you can see, to enable this feature, we need to create a PIN code first. So let's do it now. Let's go in Lock Screen and Always on Display and select Screen Lock Type, for example PIN code. Now confirm this PIN code and let's move on to the previous features. So, Advanced Features, S Pen, More S Pen Settings, and now we can enable S Pen Unlock. But you need to take out your S Pen before locking your phone for the safety. So, and for the first time, when you will try to unlock your phone with the help of this pen, it will still require your passcode. Let me show you. Let's click this button. And as you can see, it requires the passcode, but if we unlock the phone one more time again, we would just unlock it with the help of this button. Let's try it. And now it is unlocked and we don't have to enter the passcode. So this is really handy feature. Number 17 is making notes on the screenshot. So let's just take a screenshot first. You can do it by clicking power button and volume down buttons at the same time. Or you can do the screenshot by making this gesture, like this. And now click this edit icon. And by clicking this little pen icon, you will be able to make some drawings on this screenshot. You can erase this drawing. You can change the color of the pen by clicking this icon one more time. For example, this blue one. And now just save by clicking right here on this arrow. And you will find your screenshot right here in the gallery. Feature number 18. You can translate text with the help of just this S Pen, so you don't need a translator anymore. But let me show you how to enable this feature. So let's just open Settings and as before, choose Advanced Features. And now we are gonna choose S Pen as before. And right here, select Air Commands. And then click on Shortcuts. And now we just need to simply add translator to the shortcuts. Great. And now let's open any web page we like. Then press this button on the pen and select a text which we want to translate. And as you can see, now this option to translate appears and we just need to click it. And you can choose a language here by adding some. and then you can copy this text. Number 19. Extracting text from images. So let's open any photo in the gallery which includes a text like this. And now you can notice this little T button on the right corner on the bottom of the screen. So we just need to click it. And now it selected only the text, so we can add it to Note, we can copy it and paste somewhere else, and we can scan this text. So let's add it to Note, for example. And just like this. Simple and easy. Feature number 20. Sign in PDF files. So let me just open any PDF file. For this, we are gonna open this My Files app. And right here in the folder internal storage, then in documents, I can find some PDF files that I have downloaded earlier before. Let's open this one, for example, with the help of Samsung Notes. And now just click this button to edit and choose a pen. You can choose how thick it will be, you can change the color, you can choose any option from the list, intensity, and so on. And now just sign the document. And you can also erase it. And as you can see, I cannot do it manually by my finger, I can only use the S Pen. So it is really handy and S Pen is really helpful. So let's move on to the feature number 21, which is video editing with the help of this S Pen. Let's open gallery and choose a video, for example this one with this little cute teddy bear. Now we are gonna click on this pen icon to edit this video. And now we can adjust its size, speed, we can turn it right or left, we can add filters, and we can click this sticker with a pen to draw something on the video, to add stickers and text. And also we can click this eraser to erase all of our drawings. So you can do it also manually by your finger, but it is not so comfortable as a pen because the finger is much more thicker. So this pen is really helpful for this feature. And then click done button and save. And now your video will be saved with your drawing on it. Let me show you. So just like this. Feature number 22 is making notes in a calendar. So let's just open calendar right here, choose a data, and right here you will be able to write something and it will transform to a text in this section. You can also type in numbers, so it will appear right here. And now just click save when you are done. Now the next great feature, which is number 23, is multiple S Pen connections. So you can use several S Pens on the one phone, so you can draw something with the friends at the same time using just one phone. Let me show you how to enable this feature. So open settings and as usual advanced features, then S Pen, and right here click more S Pen settings. And now just enable to allow multiple S Pens by clicking this switcher. We are already at the finish line because this is the 24th function of this S Pen, which is making screenshots. So just press and hold this button and do this gesture to make a quick screenshot. Let's try it. And just like this, now you can save it, you can edit it by making some drawings on it. And when you're done, just save it. And now you don't need to press these buttons to make a screenshot, you just need to take your pen and do a simple gesture. So it's really comfortable and easy. And the last one, feature number 25, is that you can set up your S Pen as you wish by clicking settings, then enabling advanced features, and then selecting S Pen. So you can see many settings here and you can change it, you can set up your S Pen as you like. And also click on more S Pen settings to see more. And that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.